Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the parameter passing methods in function available in C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic, the parameter passing method in function C programming language. We know that they have the facility of function. The main program is there, we can create the function. So whenever we need, we call the function from the main program. The repeated talks are kept in the function. Whenever we need, we can call this function. For example, we have main program is there and subprogram, that is called function is there. Whenever we need, we call this function. While calling the function, we can send the parameter to the function, or also the function will return the value. We can send the parameter, or we cannot, no need to send the parameter. Similarly, the function can return the value, cannot return the value. Accordingly, 4 types are available. So this is the concept of main program and function. In this, how we are passing the parameters? What are the methods available to passing the parameters from main program to function? That we are going to discuss. These 4 category of function prototype, with argument, with return value, with argument, without return value. These 4 types separate video is available. This video deals how we are passing the parameter passing methods. The first method is call by value method. The function is called by value method. What is that? This method copy of the value of the actual parameter to the formal parameter of the function. The actual parameter means the parameter available in main program. Formal parameter means parameter available in function. So copy of actual parameter is sent to the function as a formal parameter. The original value is retained in the main program itself. Only copy is passed to the function. Here the changes of formal parameter cannot affect the actual parameter. If any change in the function, that will not reflect in the main program, because we send only copy of the parameter, not the original. Only we send the copy. Original value is retained. Any changes in the function will not reflected. Now we'll see the program, example program, so that easy to understand. Program to swap the 2 numbers using call by value method. For example, we have 2 numbers, a equal to 5, b equal to 10. We have to swap these 2 numbers, that is a equal to 10 and b equal to 5. Just we are interchanging the values. That is the program we will see using this call by value method. Now first we need to include the header file. Standard input output header file, console input output header file. Before main program, we need to declare the function. This is called function declaration. Contain 3 things: name of the function, return type, what are the arguments. Here the name of the function is swap, return type is void, so it will not return any value. We are sending 2 parameters, 2 integer type datas. So this is function declaration. We are declaring the function with the name swap, that need 2 variable, 2 integers need to pass. It will not return any value. So it will give the detail about function name, return type and argument type. Now we can start the program. Void main. We declare the variable integer a equal to 5, b equal to 10. We are not getting the value from the user. Directly it is declared. A equal to 5, b equal to 10. Then clear screen. After clear screen, we are printing the value. Printf before swapping. So this is the swap a comma b. Here we are calling the function, right? Before calling the function, we are printing one time. After calling the function, again we are printing the same value, right? We are printing the value before and after calling in order to verify. So before swap, a equal to b equal to %d a comma b, right? So here we are printing before swapping. What value it will come? Here a equal to 5, b equal to 10. So because we are not swapped. So after printing, we are calling this function swap a comma b. Now what will happen? The control will transfer to the function. It will call, this is nothing but function calling. So now control will goes to the function. It will go to the function name swap. So the control will transfer to this function. Void swap integer x comma integer y. We already discussed this x, y is now a formal parameter. What is available? A, B is the actual parameters. Only copy of the value is passed here. Original value will be retained here. A5, B10 will be retained. Only copy is passed so that x equal to 5, y equal to 10. Right? Original value retained in the main program. So in this program what we are doing? We are declaring one. While swapping we need one temporary variable. Integer temporary. We declare temporary variable. This is we'll declare as t because it is given as t. We will declare integer t. So t equal to x. The t equal to x mean what is the value? 5. That means 5 is stored in t. X equal to y. X equal to y means 10. So 10 is stored in x. Already 5 is available in x, which is overwritten, so that we are storing 5 in the temporary variable. While storing 10 in the x variable, already available 5 will be overwritten, so that we are temporarily stored in t. Now the x value, t is original value, x is available in t. That t is stored in y. Right? So it will be 10. It will be 5 will be there. So t equal to 5 here, x equal to 10, y equal to 5. Now see, this x value is 10, y value is 5. It is interchanged. Right? So x equal to y mean y value will be stored in x, but we need to store the x value into y, so that before executing this expression, x value is stored in the temporarily in one variable t. Then y is stored in x, so the y value, x value will be overwritten, but original value of x is available in t, that is stored in y. Right? While overwriting, we lost the data, x data, so that it is stored in temporary place. After overwriting, the value available in the temporary place will be stored in y. Now see, this x value is 10, y value is 5. So we are printing here, swapped value function is a equal to b equal to x, y. What is available in x now? 10. What is available in y is 5. See this, now it is interchanged. A is 10 and b is 5. Now it is return. Now after executing the function, we executed and return. Return means it will go to the main program. The control will transfer to the main program. From return it will go to main program. Again we are printing this value after swapping a equal to, what is the value of a and b? A and b is changed in the function, but copy only, we send the copy of the variable. Original value is retained here itself. The changing of value will not reflect in the main program, because this x and y is different, a and b is different. A and b is the actual parameter available in the main program, only copy is sent. These values are interchanged, x and y is separate memory location. This is separate memory location. So the changes in this value will not reflect here. Here again a will be 5 and b will be 10. The original values are retained. Memory location is different. This memory location is different. This memory location is different. Only copy is passed. Here we interchange. That will not reflect in the main program. So this is call by value. So if you use call by value, the value in the main program will not affect. If any changes in the function, that will not affect the main function. Next we will go to the call by reference method. Permanently changing the value. The value is changes either in main program or function, it will reflect in all the places. That is called call by reference method. Now we will see this method. So in this method, here address of the arguments is copied into the parameter inside the function. The address is used to access the argument used in the call. In previous we sent the copy of the variable, original value is retained, but here we are sending the address. So changes made in the argument are permanent. Here pointers are used to pass the function. So we are sending the address, not a copy. So any changes in that, it be permanently changed. That will reflect in the main program also. Right? Now we'll see the program. Program, same thing. Program to swap two numbers using call by reference method. So here we declare, we have included the header file. Standard input output header file, console input output header file. Then void main. Before starting void main, we have to declare the function. Function name is swap. It will not return any value, the two arguments. But here we need to indicate integer star. That is, we are going to send the address. Previously only integer comma integer. Now it is integer star refers. We are going to send the address. So it is a pointer variable. Only pointer variable will store the address. So these two integer type pointers. Right. Now we start the main program. So here declare integer a equal to 5, b equal to 10. Directly we declare the value. Then after clear screen, we are calling this function swap. Before calling the function, we are printing one time. After calling the function, we are printing one time. So before swapping, a equal to b equal to. What is the a value? Will be 5. B value will be 10. Now we are calling this function swap. What we are passing? Address of a and address of b. Not a variable. The address we are passing. Right? While passing the address, what will happen? Now the control will goes to the function swap. It will go to the function definition. Right? From here swap ab, the control will transfer to here. See here integer star x, integer star y. This is a pointer variable. It will access the variable available in the address. Right? So what will happen? For example, the a is stored in the address 1000, the a value. And the b is stored in the address 2000, the value is 10. Now we are sending this address, not the variable. Directly we are sending this to address. So what will happen? Here also we have one variable t. We will say t. Right? Integer value. While exchanging, the value will be overwritten, so that before storing y into x is stored in the temporary place. Thereafter it is overwritten. So what will happen? T equal to star x. Right? Star x means value. The x value is 5. Right? Now star x equal to star y. What will happen? X equal to 10. So permanently it will store in the 10. In the address itself, it will be replaced, not the value. The content of the address is updated to 5 to 10. Now the value available in 5 is stored in the variable x. So this is nothing but address, content of the address. So that is nothing but 5. Now y is become 5. Right? Y equal to t min, value will be stored. Star y equal to t min, it will store in the address. That indicate this is star y indicates address. Right? Content in the address. Content of the address. Right? So this a stored in the address 100,000 as a 5. After executing this expression, now 5 is changed to 10. B is stored in the address 2000 as a 10. After this exchange, it become 5. Now A and B is permanently changed. A become 10, B become 5. Permanently changed in the address itself. In previous case, not like that. AB is different, XY is different. Different memory location. Now after this, we are printing the value. Swap. The swapped value in the function is A, B. What is the swapped value? A is 10, B is 5. Now return 0. Return 0 means control will again goes to this function AB. From swap AB only we came here, function definition. The values are interchanged in the address itself, memory location itself permanently. After executing this return, it will go to the main program. In the main program where we called the function. Again we are printing after swapping. A equal to B equal to. What is the A value? Is 10. B value is 5 because permanently changed in the address. In previous program not like that. Before swapping A is 5, B is 10. After swapping also A is 5, B is 10. Only in the function the values are interchanged because we send only copy of the variable. Now here we send the address. So the changes made in the address itself. So that after swapping while printing in the main program we got A as 10 and B as 5. So call by value we are sending only copy of the variable. Call by reference we are sending the address. So any changes will be reflected permanently. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.